I'm Erika, co-founder of the Luxury Living International team. We always pre-market the home. Don't forget, we told you about our mega monster open house, and that's what we're making our way to. Okay, we're moving right along. You've got your property all clean and pretty, and I know it is because I saw your professional photos. It's beautiful. By now, your sign's probably in the yard, your lock box is on your front door, but we're not letting people in, not just yet. So, right now, we've got people circling, wanting to get into the house. But no, not yet. So, you've got probably a few more days of a little bit of peace and quiet because it's coming. So either on Saturday or Sunday, we will schedule time to have a major open house where we're gonna funnel everybody in to this one day in this 1 hour to take a great look at your home. We want them to all be there. We'll be there. You don't have to be there, but we'll make sure that we're there to answer all their questions and take care of the home and take care of their needs. Listen, our hope and our goal is before the open house is over, we'll have at least one offer. Man, 2 offers would be great. 3 offers would be amazing. This is what we do at the Luxury Living International team, and this is how we get our properties under contract many times in just 2 days.